With X3, it's really more comprehensive and in detail with real-time and regarding lot tracking and visibility to the accuracy of what we have.
PediFix Inc. is a family business, been in my family for 140 years. A great-grandfather started in 1885. The company has evolved a great deal since then. PediFix has benefited from the investment in our information technology and MIS systems. From the beginning, Sage has been a huge part of that. This is the second iteration now. We were on Match 500 for a number of years. It's a wonderful system because it's robust. It gives us the ability to do things that a small company like us normally wouldn't have that capacity to do from a system standpoint.
Before X3, we had Sage 500, and traceability was really limited in a lot of manual work. With X3, it's really more comprehensive and in detail with real-time and regarding lot tracking, inventory management, and visibility to the accuracy of what we have. Currently, all of our shipments are plugged into that receipt, and we get a real-time landed cost. And now we have a real visibility on what our costs are across the board for all of our items that are received in. When it came to price changes, it was a manual aspect. We would have 6-7 people the day of changing prices coming in early to do it. With Sage X3, we're able to put a date in of when the prices are going to change.
Some of the biggest operational challenges that we had before adopting X3, specifically from a quality and compliance standpoint, was accurate and efficient data management and retrieval. The role-based pages in X3 have been very critical and helpful for me as a new customer service manager. So to ensure that we have streamlined processes, customer satisfaction has gone up. I think that's mostly based on our ability to be more efficient with communicating accurate timelines, deadlines, updates on orders, and then product specifications as well.
Manufacturing and operations are critical to everything we do here, so when choosing our ERP, we needed to have that as a function to track everything we do, from producing the orders to getting the product in on time and out on time to our customers. Implementation of the ERP took about 1 year to fully realize from conception to going live.
Customer service agents have less data entry and manual work to do. So that dropped about 25%. EDI processing for the customer service agents dropped probably 60%. Part of the philosophy of our onboarding for our enterprise resource planning system is that users have a strict data set they're working on, and all staff is working on a universal data set. So it streamlines the process. Our basic philosophy was that we want to keep the system efficient for the users while maintaining our culture that we built over the years.
PediFix is going to have to lean on and lean into automation, efficiencies, data. It's less about people doing physical work and more about the system doing the thinking and the planning and the analysis for us.
High performance in IT is to be almost invisible in my eyes. So if we're delivering the right actionable data to the users at the right time, IT is invisible and doing their job. We are eagerly looking forward to the new modules. That includes shop floor control to actually capture real-time data from our production workers. We're also looking forward to supply chain intelligence that will greatly streamline our ability to purchase, source, and fulfill.